Welcome to the Test Automation Engineer series. In this course, we'll explore how to build robust testing frameworks using industry-leading tools like Selenium and Cypress. Whether you're new to automation or looking to deepen your skills, this series will guide you through everything you need to know about creating automated test suites that save time, reduce costs, and catch bugs before they reach production. Test automation is the practice of using software tools to automatically execute pre-written test cases instead of doing it manually. Instead of a person clicking through an application and checking if everything works, a test script does this job automatically. This eliminates the need to repeat the same tests over and over again. The key benefits include faster testing cycles, where thousands of tests run in minutes instead of days. You also get consistent results every time because machines don't make human errors. It reduces costs significantly by eliminating manual testing overhead, and it enables early detection of bugs before they reach your users. Test automation has become essential in modern software development. Speed is the first major advantage. Running thousands of tests in minutes instead of days accelerates your entire development process. Reliability is another key benefit. The same tests produce consistent results every single time, with zero human error. Cost savings are significant. By automating repetitive testing, you reduce the need for large manual testing teams. Early detection of bugs means issues are caught before they reach production, saving you from costly fixes later. Scalability allows you to test more features without proportional increases in testing costs or time. Finally, continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines depend on automated testing to validate code changes automatically with every commit. Selenium is an open-source framework for automating web browser interactions. It's the most widely used tool for web test automation globally. Selenium supports multiple programming languages including Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, and Ruby, making it flexible for teams with different backgrounds. You can use Selenium with all major browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and even Internet Explorer. Selenium's architecture uses the WebDriver protocol to communicate directly with browsers, making it truly cross-platform and cross-browser compatible. This means tests written in Selenium can run on any browser and any operating system without modification. Here's a practical example of Selenium automation in Java. First, you import the necessary Selenium libraries. Then you create a Chrome driver instance to control the Chrome browser. Using the get method, you navigate to a website. Next, you find an element by its ID and interact with it by clicking. Finally, you close the browser using the quit method. This simple example shows the core pattern you'll use in Selenium tests. Create a driver, navigate to a page, find elements, interact with them, and verify the results. Cypress is a modern end-to-end testing framework specifically built for web applications. Unlike Selenium, Cypress is JavaScript-based and runs directly inside the browser, giving you faster feedback and easier debugging. One major advantage of Cypress is that it runs in the browser itself, not as an external tool. This means you have better control and visibility. Cypress includes real-time reloading, so your tests update instantly as you code. It offers time-travel debugging, allowing you to step back through test execution. Error messages are incredibly detailed and helpful. Cypress supports Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Electron browsers. The documentation is excellent, making it easy to learn. You can also record test runs and view them in the Cypress dashboard, and you can run tests in parallel to speed up execution. Here's a Cypress test example written in JavaScript. The describe function groups related tests together. Inside, the it function defines a single test case. The test starts by visiting a URL using sci.visit. Then it finds an email input field and types an email address. It finds a password field and types the password. Next, it finds the submit button and clicks it. Finally, it verifies that the URL changed to include the word dashboard, confirming the login was successful. Notice how readable the Cypress syntax is compared to other frameworks. Each action clearly states what it's doing. Beyond Selenium and Cypress, several other testing tools serve specific purposes. Appium is used for mobile automation on both iOS and Android applications. TestNG is a Java testing framework inspired by JUnit, but with advanced features for organizing and managing tests. JUnit is the standard unit testing framework for Java applications used for unit and integration tests. Pytest is Python's powerful testing framework with excellent fixtures and plugin support for Python automation. Each tool is specialized for different types of testing and different technology stacks. Choosing the right tool depends on your application type, technology stack, and testing requirements. A well-structured test framework has 4 distinct layers. The first layer is the test layer, containing individual test cases and test methods. This is where your assertions and test logic live. The second layer is the page object layer. This abstraction pattern encapsulates all user interface element locators and action methods in a dedicated page class. This makes your tests more maintainable because when the UI changes, you only update the page object, not every test. The third layer is the utility and helper layer. This contains reusable functions for common operations like waiting for elements, logging information, and generating reports. The fourth and bottom layer is the framework core, which manages browser drivers, handles configuration settings, and executes setup and teardown operations. This layered architecture makes your tests scalable, maintainable, and professional. Following best practices ensures your test framework is robust and maintainable. For test design, write one assertion per test, use clear descriptive test names, ensure each test is independent and doesn't rely on others, and follow the DRY principle to avoid code duplication. For code quality, always use page objects to abstract user interface elements, avoid hard waits that slow down tests, implement proper error handling, and write clean, readable code. For maintenance, use version control for your test code, document your tests thoroughly, conduct regular code reviews, and remove flaky tests that fail intermittently. For performance, run tests in parallel to save time, use headless browser mode when possible, optimize wait times, and clean up test data after execution. For debugging, include meaningful logs in your tests, capture screenshots and videos of failures, analyze stack traces carefully, and implement a retry mechanism for flaky tests. For CI/CD integration, ensure tests run automatically in your pipeline, generate comprehensive reports, set up alerts for test failures, and manage environment-specific configurations properly. Test execution happens at multiple stages. You can run tests locally during development, in CI/CD pipelines automatically with every code commit, on scheduled intervals like nightly runs, on demand when needed, and in parallel across multiple machines to save time. Test filtering allows you to run only specific tests instead of the entire suite. Test reports are crucial for understanding results. They show pass and fail metrics, track execution time to identify slow tests, analyze code coverage, capture screenshots and videos of failures, provide detailed error logs, and display trends and analytics over time. Maintenance is an ongoing responsibility. You must keep element locators updated as the UI evolves. Fix flaky tests that fail intermittently without code changes. Refactor test code periodically to improve readability and reusability. Add new tests as features are added to your application. Monitoring and alerting systems help you stay on top of test health. Track which tests are failing, receive notifications immediately when issues occur, monitor performance metrics, and detect patterns of flaky tests that need attention. A test automation engineer's career typically progresses through several levels. At the entry level, you write basic test cases, learn tools like Selenium and Cypress, and understand how testing frameworks work. At the mid-level, you design comprehensive test frameworks, mentor junior QA team members, integrate testing into CI/CD pipelines, and optimize test execution. At the senior level, you lead overall QA strategy, evaluate new testing tools, optimize testing processes, and manage QA teams. Key takeaways from this course: test automation is essential for modern software development. Selenium and Cypress are industry-leading tools, each with distinct advantages. The framework architecture you choose really matters and should scale with your projects. Continuous learning is critical because tools and practices constantly evolve. To advance your career, practice with real projects, build a portfolio on GitHub to showcase your work, explore advanced frameworks and techniques, and join quality assurance communities to learn from others. Thank you for watching this Test Automation Engineer series. Start building your automation skills today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.